From electronics to food and retail displays, the PopLok system is versatile enough to handle it all. Whether trays are lidded shipping trays or retail display trays, the PopLok automates every step, eliminating costly changeovers. The PopLok forms trays seamlessly, reducing time and labor while boosting your production line. It folds and tucks die-cut trays perfectly, every single time. The PopLok is designed for businesses seeking efficiency, cost savings, and eliminating repetitive motion rolls. Whether you're in retail, e-commerce, or manufacturing, the PopLok's versatility makes it the perfect solution for a wide variety of industries. By automating with the PopLok, you can focus on what matters most: growing your business. Fewer errors mean less downtime, reduced waste, and a more reliable production process, saving your business both time and money.